Hello, welcome back. So we have some questions with us here. So they go like this. So find the gradient of a line passing through the following pair of points. So you find the gradient passing through this pair of points, this one and this one. So solution. So let's start with A. We always say that gradient is change in y over change in x. So if these are the pair of points, this first value is on the x coordinate and this one is the y coordinate. The same here, this is the x coordinate and this one is the y coordinate. So if you're getting the gradient, which is represented by m, we take change in y divided by change in x. So when I start with y here, I will start with x down to follow. So like for example, this one, it will be change in y. So I take 9 minus 5 divide by change in x. I started with y in the numerator. So down here, change in x, I will also start with 4. So it will be 4 minus 3. So if you simplify this one, 9 minus 5, this one gives you 4. Then 4 minus 3 gives you 1. So your answer becomes 4. So the gradient that is passing through this pair of points is 4. Let's go to B. So again, the first value is the x coordinate and this one is the y coordinate. This one is the x and this one is the y. So when you're getting gradient, we say gradient is change in y over change in x. So to find the gradient, we can start now. Let me start with this side. I want to start with y. So y this side. So I'll say it is 5 minus y this side. So you take y this side minus the y this side. So it is 5 minus 4. Divide by, so if you start with y this side, you also must start with x this side. So down here, you'll start with the negative 1 minus 2. So you'll get, this one will be 1 in the numerator, 5 minus 4. Then down here, you're going to have minus 1 minus 2, which is minus 3. So your answer, which is the gradient, is negative 1 over 3 as your answer. Let's go to the last one. So we have this pair of points. So again, the first value is always the x coordinate and this one is the y. This is the x and this is the y. So when you say gradient is change in y over change in x, so in our case, let's start with y this side. So we're going to have negative 2 minus, then we take the value of y this side. This side is minus 2, so it's going to be minus 2. Divide by, we started with y this side, so we must start with x again this side. So we're going to have minus 7 minus, then you come this side, it is minus 2. So we're going to have minus 2. So minus minus is positive. So you will have minus 2 plus 2. Then you're going to have divided by negative 7 plus 2. So you will have negative 2 plus 2, it will give you a 0. Then divide by negative 7 plus 2 is a negative 5. So finally your answer will be a 0. And that is how you find the gradient of points when you're given pair of points. So thank you. Let's meet in our next lesson.